ano naman, yung nagsasalita naman yung eloquence. So, sa'kin
Use a single TTS engine. G-Flow screen reader can use two TTS engines at the same time. The main TTS engine will be used to read most of the information, while the secondary TTS engine will be used to read notifications and other less important content. Use a single TTS engine. Button. Use two TTS engines at the same time.
So,
Button.
sa'kin news na lang siguro.
The setup wizard is completed.
Ayan, completed na daw.
The setup wizard is completed. Should you need to run the basic setup wizard again, go to General Settings Greater than Setup Wizard. Okay, button.
So, okay nyo lang yan.
Alert.
So, pag tapos nyo pala dyan, kung yung cellphone nyo kasi is Android 13 or 14, may makikita kayong message na ganyan.
If you are on Android 13 or above, you might see a security restriction message when you try to enable G-Flow's accessibility service. To allow G-Flow to run, go to its app info, tap on more options, enable restricted settings, and confirm your choice.
So, ayan. So, sa akin kasi yung cellphone ko Android 14. So, may ganyang message.
Cancel button.
So,
Okay button.
okay nyo na lang yan.
Accessibility.
So, i-turn on na natin yung G-Show screen reader.
Convenience. Press power. Access. More. Download it. Vision. Talkback. Select the G-Flow plus off. G-Flow plus.
So, andito na
Navigate
siya.
up. G-Flow settings button. G-Flow plus off. On.
So, yan. Hintayin nyo na lang.
Stop G-Flow plus.
Wait lang guys, parang nagka-problema siya.
Stop button.
Ayan na.
Stop back button. Functions menu. Functions menu clear. Select copy. Append. Paste. Clip favorites. Granular list copy. Open keyboard input button and cancel button. Cancel button. Stop G-Flow plus. Stop G-Flow plus.
So, napindot ko kasi yung stop.
Cancel. Stop cancel button.
So,
G-Flow
cancel
plus.
na lang. I-turn off ko muna yung Prudence screen reader.
Back button. Accessibility button. Prudence screen reader turned off. Home button. Navigate up button. G-Flow. Navigate up button. Accessibility. Navigate up button. Setup wizard. Setup wizard. Check permission status. Check display pop-up window permissions. Check ignore battery optimization. Check setup wizard.
So, ito. Tapos na natin tong setup wizard.
Check permission status.
Itong check permission status, wala pa yan. So, check natin lahat yan. So, pag may nakita kayong permissions not granted.
Permissions not granted.
Ayan.
Access approximate location only in the foreground.
Wait lang guys, lakasan ko yung ano ko.
3650.
Ayan.
Directly call phone numbers. Modify or delete the contents of your shared storage. Read the contents in your SD card. Read phone status and identity. Read phone numbers. Record audio. Access precise location only in the take pictures and videos. Read call log. Answer phone calls. Read your contacts. Connect to paired Bluetooth devices. Discover and pair nearby Bluetooth devices. Show notifications. Read audio files from shared storage. Read video files from shared storage.
So, kailangan yan lahat.
Read image files from shared storage. Read user-selected image and video files from shared storage. Cancel button. Okay button.
So, pag nakita na, pag natapos na kayo mag-swipe, i-okay nyo na lang. Pag nakita nyo yung okay.
Allow G-Flow Plus to take pictures and record video while using the app button.
While using the app na lang.
Allow G-Flow Plus to access this device's location. Allow G-Flow Plus to precise check rate approximate unchecked radio only this time while using the app button. Allow G-Flow Plus to record audio.
Ayan.
Only this time but don't allow button only while using the app button.
While using the app na
Allow
lang.
G-Flow Plus to access your phone call logs. Allow button.
So, i-allow nyo lang yan.
Don't allow button. Allow G-Flow Plus to access your contact. Allow G-Flow Plus to access your contacts.
So, i-allow na lang
Allow
natin
button.
yan.
Allow G-Flow Plus to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Don't allow button.
So, i-allow nyo lang yan lahat.
Allow G-Flow Plus to make and manage phone calls. Don't allow button. Allow button. Don't allow button. Allow button. Allow G-Flow Plus to access photos, videos, music, and audio on this device. Don't allow button.
So, i-allow nyo lang lahat.
Setup wizard. Check permissions. Check ignore. Check file management permission. Check alarm and reminder permission. Check automatic startup permission status. About Jishuo screen reader. Check automatic, check alarm, check file, check
So,
notification, display permission status.
So, wala ka nang gagalawin dyan. So, back na lang tayo.
15 Vivo. 20241102022420242020 Vivo. Button.
So, ayan, Chinese kasi, kaya ganyan yung mga lumalabas. So, may mga hindi nyo mabasa. So,
Jishuo Plus.
Ayan na.
Jishuo Plus 20241206. Email 9460. General settings.
Tapos, punta lang tayo sa general settings.
Allow Jishuo Plus to send new notifications. Allow button.
Allow.
General settings. General settings. Setup wizard. TTS rate 50. TTS volume 100. Read usage hits unchecked. Allow reading of element indexes and display
may
range
kailangan
and
tayo
list
i-check
automatically
dito, guys.
read invert swiping gestures check control use custom gestures unchecked.
So, kailangan i-check nyo yan, guys.
Checked.
Yan, tapos back na tayo.
Back button. Jishuo Plus. Jishuo 20 email not general TTS settings.
So, kailangan natin pumunta sa TTS settings.
TTS settings. Navigate up TTS main TTS engine.
Ang gamitin natin is main TTS
Main
engine.
TTS engine. Main select TTS engine system TTS engine. Use a single TTS rate acceleration 1 unavailable. TTS rate 50.
So, nakataas na sa
TTS rate.
So,
70 unchecked.
So, 70 kasi mas preferred ko siya.
Main TTS engine. TTS volume 100. TTS pitch 50. Audio ducking unchecked controls whether the volume of all other sounds is lowered while Jishuo is speaking.
Ito naman, yung kapag halimbawa nag-play ka ng music or nanonood ka ng videos, kapag nag-touch ka or nag-swipe, magsasalita yung screen reader. Pag nagsalita yun, hihina yung
TTS audio ducking unchecked
hihina
controls whether the volume of all other sounds is lowered while Jishuo is speaking.
Ayan, hihina yung yung video or yung music na piniplay nyo. So, i-check nyo yan para
Checked. Use accessibility volume unchecked.
So, ito naman, use accessibility volume. Ito, depende ito sa iyo kung ano gusto mo. Pero sa akin kasi mas gusto ko yung accessibility volume para kapag hindi siya masama sa media volume ko. So,
checked.
Ayan.
Use the proximity sensor unchecked controls whether speech is stopped when the proximity sensor is approached. Stop reading when touching the screen unchecked. Use the proximity sensor unchecked controls whether speech is stopped when the proximity sensor is approached.
So, ayan. Kung alam niyo yung proximity sensors ng cellphone niyo, pwede niyo yan i-check.
Stop reading when touching the screen unchecked. Prevent the screen from locking while speaking. Check controls whether the screen is kept awake while Jishuo is speaking.
So, dapat i-uncheck niyo to. Depende sa gusto niyo. So, sa akin, i-uncheck ko lang yan.
Unchecked.
Tapos, okay na yun dyan.
Back button.
Back na tayo dyan.
Navigate up TTS main TTS secondary TTS engine.
So, secondary TTS engine
Secondary
naman.
TTS select TTS engine system TTS engine. Music volume 56. 50.
So, iba rin
TTS
yung
rating select TTS engine system TTS engine select TTS engine select TTS system TTS SPI unchecked. Baidu Cloud TTS on SPI unchecked. Baidu Cloud speech recognition and synthesis from Google Jishuo plus /com.com secondary TTS engine. TTS rate acceleration
So,
1
try
available.
natin.
Music volume 56.
Ayun, iba na siya, guys.
50.
TTS rate 50. TTS volume 100.
So,
TTS pitch 50. Audio ducking unchecked controls whether the volume of all other sounds is lowered while Jishuo is speaking.
dito sa secondary TTS engine, ganun lang din.
Check.
So,
Use accessibility volume unchecked.
ganun lang
Check.
din. Parang wala lang din siyang pinagkaibahan.
Back button.
So, back na tayo
TTS
dyan.
settings. Navigate up button TTS set main TTS engine. Secondary TTS scenario adaptive TTS configurations. Back button. Jishuo plus. G202 email 946 general setting. TTS set feedback settings.
So, sa feedback settings tayo.
Feedback settings. Navigate feedback set sound feedback checked.
Itong sound feedback, ito yung pag nag-swipe ka, may sound.
Sound scheme volume 60. Sound scheme default. Sound scheme volume 60. Sound scheme volume. Sound scheme 60 checked. 61 60 60 60
So,
60
parang
60
mahina
60
kasi yung
60
niya.
70 70
Tataas ko siya sa
70
pinakamalakas.
81 82 83 84 85 87 88 89 90 unchecked. 91 92 93 94 unchecked. 95 96 97 98 unchecked. 100 unchecked. 99 100 unchecked. Feedback settings. Sound scheme of applications where additional sound effects are not used. Additional sound effects will be temporarily disabled in the selected applications unavailable. Back button.
So,
Jishuo
back
plus.
tayo dyan.
Jishuo plus 20 email 9 general setting. TTS setting. Feedback settings. Operation setting. Reading settings. Operation settings.
So, sa operation settings, punta tayo dito.
Operation settings. Navigate operation set. Gestures default set. Gesture scheme custom. Gestures default settings. Manage settings related to gesture default behaviors and options.
So, pindutin
Gestures
natin
default
yan.
settings. Gestures default navigation. Gesture style default 2. Customize web page element. Customize standard 2 element navigate. Remember the selected navigate shortcut gesture settings. Use multi-finger gestures unchecked.
So, kailangan may i-check tayo dito itong use multi-finger gestures. So, dapat naka-check yan.
Check.
Depende sa gusto nyo.
Back button. Back button.
So,
Operation
back tayo
settings.
dyan.
Navigate up. Operations. Gestures default settings. Gesture scheme custom. Gesture scheme settings custom. Gesture scheme description. Gesture scheme manager customizing the up, down, left and right swipes is only available for users of the full version. Back button. G-Flow Plus.
Yung G-Show screen reader pala guys, pwede nyo siyang i-purchase kung gusto nyo magamit lahat. Pwede nyo parang pwede nyo bayaran yung full version niya. Pero sa akin, lang naman. So, screen reader lang.
Email 9460492 general settings. TTS settings. Feedback setting. Operation set reading settings. Notification reading settings.
So, sa reading settings, may tayo dito, may
Navigate up reading settings. Dynamic alert reading settings. List reading settings. Label reading settings.
Kayo na lang bahala dito guys mag-explore ng iba. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung dapat i-set
Label
up.
reading settings. Label reading. Speak the element type of current focus check specifies. If read web page control type check controls. Read unlabeled controls uncheck controls. Whether the element's ID is read. If it has no label.
So, eto guys, kailangan ko tong i-check kasi may mga buttons siya na sinasabi na na parang unlabeled. So, kailangan i-check ko yan para malaman ko.
Back button. Back button. Reading settings.
So, back
Navigate up button. Reading settings. Back button. G-Flow Plus. G-Flow 202412. Email 94. General settings. TTS settings. Feedback setting. Operation settings. Reading settings. Notification reading settings. Advanced settings. Extensions. Tools. Download additional resources. More. Accessibility settings. User center.
So, pwede ka pala mag-login dito guys. Nag-login ako dito eh.
Navigate up button. User center. Login button. Register button.
Ayan, pwede ka mag-login.
Register button. More options button. Username Spracody.
Ayan, ito yung username ko.
Back button. G-Flow Plus. Back button. Page 2 of 3. Accessibility button.
So, ganun lang
Home
guys
button.
kadali.
Videos. Folder colon music. Folder colon accessibility tools. Folder open.
Balik
Size
tayo
3.
dun.
G-Flow Plus. G-Flow Plus. G-Flow Plus 2024. Email 9460. General set. TTS set. General set. TTS feedback settings. Reading settings. Notification reading settings. Advanced set. Notification reading settings.
Dito pa pala i-set up natin.
Navigate notification. Automatically read notifications from the notification bar. Only while screen is unlocked. Automatically read notifications from the notification
ganun
bar.
lang guys kadali.
Automatically read. Don't read notifications
Kung
unchecked.
gusto mo, dito naman sa notifications, kung gusto mo don't read notifications,
Only while screen is unlocked checked.
itong only while screen is unlocked, magbabasa lang siya ng notifications kapag naka-unlock yung screen.
Only while screen is locked unchecked.
So, ayan, ganun din. Kapag nakalock lang yung screen mo, tsaka lang siya magbabasa ng notifications.
Both when screen locked and unlocked unchecked.
So, sa akin, both na lang.
Notification reading settings.
So, ganun lang guys kadali guys.
Folder colon my eye. Folder colon video tools. Folder
So, ganun
open.
lang
Size 3
kadali.
background video. Open camera. Camera. Arizona screen video. Arizona screen recorder. Arizona screen record 1624. Record button.
So, ganun lang guys kadali. Kapag gusto nyo, ganun lang kadali mag-setup ng G-Show screen reader. At saka guys, reminder lang, hindi siya available sa Google Play. Kasi sa Chrome nyo yan mada-download. So, isearch nyo lang sa Chrome, G-Show screen reader or commentary screen reader. Makita nyo lang yan guys. So, yun lang. See you next video.